We've got some numbers for April, so let's take a peek at what they might be trying to tell us. First up here is our total residential transactions, and you can see we've been following a trend that's similar to the last couple of years, except for it's quite a bit down. You can see year over year here we're 23% down, but month over month we are up 11%. We went from about 5,000 transactions happening to about 5,800 transactions happening for April. So we've been trending up, which is usually what you see through the spring, but it hasn't been as strong as years past. And here's another number that's kind of correlating that we are moving towards a buyer's market. Our listings have been above the yearly average, 8.1% right now, and then 8.7% month over month. So we've been creeping up on the inventory. It's a little bit closer year over year than it was the month before, but still we've been seeing an increase in listings, not as many transactions happening, which means we're going to start seeing a buyer's market start to emerge. And let's see what that's doing to the price right now. And taking a look at the price here, you can see that although we've been moving towards a buyer's market, the price is still not coming down necessarily as an overall market. There might be some pockets that are seeing prices starting to drop, some going up a little bit higher, but the overall market, it's still trying to creep up. But you can see year over year, it's usually a little bit of a bigger spike that we see in the springtime here, and we didn't see that last month. We did still see a 1.2% month over month increase, but we're down 4.1% year over year. And looking at the month so far, it's looking like it's going to trend that way as well. We're not going to be breaking through on prices. And our final number here is really showing us that buyer's market that's been emerging. It's not quite a buyer's market. Technically, it's a balanced 4 to 6 months of inventory is a balanced market, and we're sitting at 4.8 right now of months of inventory. So quite a bit above what we're used to this time of year. We're usually seeing that 4.8 later in the year into the late summer when we're not seeing a lot of activity happening in the market, but it's kind of been the trend throughout the year. So it'll be interesting to see if we start to push through into a genuine buyer's market and what it's going to hold for the future. So we'll keep you informed with what's next. Take care for now.